This is Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement. Check out our new bathroom transformation. Hey there, I'm Nate with Lakeview Home Improvement, and I am standing dead center in a completed transformed master bathroom here in Dean Hill. And let me walk you through some of the features and finishes that we did to make this all come together. So in this space, you're gonna see some more premium high-end fixtures and finishes that are at the higher end caliber of our expertise. We came in and first and foremost removed the initial layout configuration down to the bare studs. So for the floors, we came in with a large format porcelain tile. So it's very strong, durable. If you drop something, it won't chip or crack. It's a 12 by 24. It has a printed finish to look like a faux marble. We oriented the 12 by 24s to be long way. It gives the feel of a larger space. In the center here, we've done an inlay. It is a mosaic tile in the format of a rug pattern. It helps break up the space, make it look more unique, and helps center some of the space that we have with the chandelier, and of course, creating individual corners where the sink is, where the tub is, and where the shower is. So when you first walked in here, you had two separate independent vanities on separate walls, and it was really awkward. So the goal was to move one vanity over and incorporate it into a custom piece of furniture with double sinks. And the other space was convert that to a shelf for the homeowner's Yello collection. Above the vanity, there was only one light fixture. Our goal was to split the two, create two outlets for us to have down lighting on both sides of the sinks, and then of course add additional electric on both sides as well for hair dryer, toothbrush, whatever else you may have in your space. Behind me was a massive jacuzzi jet tub, and if you're asking me, the answer is always, let's pack it up and send it. It needs to go. In this case, we went back in with a very large 66-inch solid cast iron clawfoot tub with a very nice pedestal filler. It is definitely the one thing I will say when you walk in this room that gives it that old world British theme and really just sets this whole room off. So lastly, as we transitioned into the shower space, and as you saw the old pictures, it was a long galley, almost 9 foot long, about 3.5 feet wide. I jokingly called it the prison cell, and it definitely felt like that when you were standing in it. It had double shower heads on the right side, had a very large step up into it because the curb and the pan was just graded in such a steep way that it was awkward to stand on. Once we removed it all, I was impressed at how well the original liner had held up. The new footprint is much larger now. We did recreate the wall. It has 245 angles on it with a large niche wall built into it. In addition to that, now you can completely walk through the entire shower space. It's almost got a grotto feel to it. It's got an exit and an entrance on both sides. The transitions are completely gone, and it is curbless now. It has just enough fall so that it drains properly into 2 linear drains, and we've gone ahead and removed both shower heads on the right side. They're now on the left side. We've got a rain shower and a body sprayer with some really nice finishes that match the rest of the fixtures in the room. So lastly, we came through and removed the headers for both doorways. Gives it a larger feel to emphasize the 9-foot ceilings. In the ceiling, we felt that 2 fan can combos would make the best solution to evacuate all the moisture in this room and just make sure that there was no steam left over at the end of the day. So although we did update the toilet closet with new trim, wallpaper, and paint, not much to see there. However, the one last feature that I did want to share with you is this phenomenal towel warmer. If you'd never seen one, it's a cool feature. This is an electric unit that we did install with a switch. And so as soon as you step out of your steamy hot shower, you've got an amazingly nice, warm, toasty cloth and towel waiting for you, giving you that golden stamp of approval that Ritz-Carlton would offer in their finest of hotels. Well, that's a wrap. Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, like, follow, and share this video and tell all your people. Cheerio. You're still here? It's over. Get out of here. Go home. Go. Giving you that golden stamp of approval that Ritz-Carlton would offer in their finest of hotels.
That golden shower of approval.
Golden shower of approval. Jesus, man. So, golly, you do though. Nope, not going there. Not going there.